Welcome you guys to my makeup tutorial. We are in 2 weeks of quarantine here in Orlando, Florida. So let's all follow along with this tutorial. Let's keep each other company. And that's the beauty of social media. We are still connected through there. Now, beginning with my RCMA Pro palette and a Real Techniques stippling brush, I'm applying this all over my face. Again, you use whatever you have in your collection. Ooh la la. Ooh. I was gonna get my makeup started, but my baby dog made an appearance. He's such a little rock star. Isn't he a cutie pie? We're gonna begin with the concealing under the eyes. This is the IT Cosmetics concealer, and I am using the Muse Beauty Pro brush. Becca Loose Powder and Goddess using the Juvia's Place large powder brush. I'm going to be setting all of my makeup and also creating a luminous finish. I don't want a matte look today. I want a glow, baby. So we want to make believe we went to the beach, but we really didn't. Going in with my NARS bronzer, I'm going to be applying this in the perimeter of my face using my crown brush. This is my go-to brush. I purchased this at the hair show last year, and I don't know if they still sell it online. Check it out. So you can see that based on my face shape, I'm applying my contour. Look at that. This is all blended because I fast forward it. Going in with Lorac Pro palette. It's very well loved. Light and medium contour over the same areas as previously created with my NARS bronzer. This is going to create dimension. Lorac Cinematic Blush is my go-to blush as well. Applying it with my crown brush creates a flushed appearance on the cheekbones, a more lively color. Jordana eyebrow pencil to shape my eyebrows. You can see I'm using hair like strokes and applying the Jordana brow pomade to lighten up the eyebrow color because my hair color is light right now. Woohoo! Now for the next step. Zoeva Luminizer. This is the face and body luminizer. You guys, this is the most stunning product I've ever had in my collection. You can see the difference it made. Look at the difference with both sides. There's no glow on this side, but there's glow on this side. Woo! This is what we want. Morphe palette. We're going to dip into 35F with the Morphe brush set. Now, you can see I was playing with this palette earlier just to see the color story. So excuse that little bit of powder in the palette. Now, I'm going in with lighter shades to create the shading and the shape that I desire, and I'm also going to be applying it underneath my waterline. This is going to connect the entire eye look. Using the same Morphe brush, I'm going to be applying medium brown shades, as you can see in the palette. I'm going to be applying it on the outer edge and going into the center of the lid to create a more lifted look and add more depth. So it's adding more of a smoky effect. Applying that same step as previously created on the waterline. Black is going to be placed on the outer edge of the eye. At first, it's going to look very strong, but as you continue to blend, it will become diffused and will create harmony with the entire eye look. Look at the difference, you guys. It's so important to add dimension, and this is why I apply it underneath my waterline as well. Now I'm going to be using my ring finger to apply my metallic shade or my frost shade into the inner corner and blending it outwards to the outer corner of my eye with my finger. Applying pencil and liquid liner to create more detail work within the eye look is essential. Use whichever shape you desire. Magnetic eyeliner is what I use to adhere my eyelashes to my eyelid. Once I apply the magnetic liner, I have to wait for it to dry. So I'm going to take this time and apply the same Zoeva Glow Luminizer on my body because we shine bright like a diamond. Lorac lipsticks are my favorite. There's Coffee Connoisseur and Nudist. I'm going to be applying Coffee Connoisseur first. You can see it's a nice peach shade. And then Nudist is more of a peach and coral shade, which I'm placing on top to create a multi-dimensional look. Maneater Tarte Mascara is going to help prep my eyelashes for the magnetic lashes. Look at the difference it creates. Using MAC lip glass, I finish the lip look. It matches the luminous finish on the rest of my makeup. This is the end result indoors and then outdoors. Well, still indoors, but by a window. You guys, we can get through this together. We just have to be brave and courageous. No matter what happens, we should always remain united and support one another. Thank you for watching.